Now let's start talking about more configurations that you can do. Now you can go to the File menu, and inside the info, you can click the Add Account option to add other accounts as well. It will show you the same window that was shown in the previous lesson. And here you can enter your email account information and add it. Now you can also check your emails. Now this is the favorite section, and here we have each of your email addresses. This is our Hotmail account and this is our Gmail account. Now when you click on this sign, the arrow, you can see the folders that you have inside your email account for each of the emails, and you can see the number of new emails that you haven't responded to. Now usually it will keep loading new emails, and this favorite is basically where everything shared between these email accounts is placed. Now this inbox is basically the inbox of this email account and this email account. The sent items for both of these email accounts, the drafts, the archives, the deleted items. So this is a shared folder created by Outlook to manage all of your email accounts in one place. Now the main thing that we will cover here is the inbox. In the inbox, you can see a list of your emails, and these are the new emails that I got. And you can see that the emails that are not read are in bold. Now, if you did read any of these emails, it will turn to unbold. Now you can click here to mark it as read without entering the email, or you can click this bar again to make it unread. So clicking once will turn this to being read, and this is now showing the email as unread. Now to change how this view, now let me show you. Now this is an email from Apple, and this is the actual email. I clicked here and the email is showing up in this area. Now if you want another view, you can change the view by simply going to the view menu and click change view. From here you can change this from compact to single and from single to preview, as you can see. But the best view is the compact view, and it's the default view where you can see a list of your folders, a list of your emails, and here you can click on any of the emails to see it on this screen. Now let's say that I did see this email and it's now unread. I want to turn it back to, it's now read, sorry, and I want to turn it back to unread. I simply click this blue bar. This is the first step. Now let's talk about how to delete a message. Let's say that I want to delete this message and I already saw all the information inside it. You can simply click this delete the item icon, and the item will go to the deleted items folder. If you clicked here, you will see the item inside the deleted items folder, which is the email that we just deleted, and you can click again on the delete the item icon, and here you will get a message. This will permanently delete the email. Do you want to continue? Click yes, and now the email is gone. Okay, now this is the first step. Another way to delete the deleted items is, if you have too many items, is by clicking here and clicking on empty folder. Now if you have any emails, they will be deleted permanently. Now the better way of dealing with emails instead of deleting them is by simply, let's say, archiving them. Now as you can see, if we went back to the home menu, you can click any of the emails and then you can click on the archive icon. Now this email, or the email that I archived, will move to the archive folder, which is this folder, and you can see it in the archive folder here as well. And this means that it's not deleted, but it's hidden from the inbox, because I already read this email and I have all the information inside it. I don't want to delete it because I might need it for future reference. So the best solution for this situation is to click the archive icon, and it will move the email from your inbox to your archive folder. And this is what I do. I don't delete emails because you never know, you might need an email in the future. Now, one more thing that we need to talk about is the symbols. Now, this is called the flag symbol, and we will cover it later. We also have other symbols that might appear on your email. Now, if there is a blue arrow, like this arrow, means that this email was forwarded to you. Now, if there is this arrow, as you can see, it means that this email you have replied to, or you have participated in the replies that were in this email. And usually the icons appear in this area. So this one means that the email is forwarded, and this one means that the email is or has a reply from you. And it's an easy way to deal with emails. Now, there is also another way to arrange the emails inside your area or this area. Now, you can arrange them by date or by the person that these messages were sent from or to. You can even arrange them by size if they have attachments, by subject, by type, and by the attachment itself. You can sort them by the newest on top or oldest on top. Now, you can show the unread emails only in this area, or you can show all emails. Now, what I do prefer is showing unread emails only, because if you have already read an email, there is no need for it to appear in this area. Now, one more feature that I like is the search feature. The search feature is basically a feature that helps you find an email by simply typing some words. So let's write iTunes or Apple. Now it will show you all the emails that you did receive from Apple. And as you can see, here are the emails. These are the top results 2 weeks ago. And basically the first result is the best result now in the top result tab. I have 3 emails from Apple, as you can see here, here, and here. And you can easily find any email or any contact by simply searching using this bar. More features will appear once you start the searching process. Now, as you can see, you can specify all mailboxes to search all your mailboxes for results from Apple, or you can select current mailbox, which is the Hotmail mailbox. Now, you can even select the from, which is searching by sender. So let's write iTunes. If you already know the email, we already know that it is do not reply at itunes.com. Hit enter, and as you can see, there are no emails from this. So let's cut the area down. Now, anything that has at itunes.com in the from area of the email, it will be displayed here. Now, you can even select to filter results by subject or by showing only the results that has attachment. As you can see, none of the emails has attachment. That's why this filter won't work. Now, once you are done with the searching process, simply hit the X icon and you will go back to your inbox. Another nice way of looking up your emails is by simply going to the filter email tab here and show only the unread emails. Now, once you click on it, it will change the view here. You can change this to any other thing. And as you can see, it's basically a search function. Now, is read? No. Now you can close this and you can go back to filtering the emails by showing only the emails that has attachment. By clicking here, has attachment, or by the category, and we'll talk about that later, or by showing only the flagged email. Now, we already mentioned the flag. You can simply click on the flag on any of these emails, like this flag. And if you choose the filter to show only flagged emails, it will only show the emails that has a flag. Now, as you can see, it's searching to see what emails has a flag. and as you can see, it's still organizing, so it didn't show the result, but it will show it eventually since the software is still loading. Now, another thing that we need to mention is inside the filter email is that you can filter them by the important. You can mark an email as an important email so that you can follow it up. You can categorize your email list by creating a new category for a specific email, and you can add more filters. We will talk about that later. But that's it for this lesson. I'm sure that you have learned a lot. Don't move on to the next lesson before applying the knowledge in this lesson. So make sure that you go and install Outlook, connect it to your account, start using the search feature, the filter email feature, and start playing with the software to get used to it, and try deleting and archiving some of your emails. Thanks for watching this lesson. See you next.